Hi friends, the question is, should India play the Tibet card? The question is, should India play the Tibet card against China? Tibet is the core interest of China. China is very particular about Tibet. And what is our core interest? Our core interest is our territorial integrity. Now, has China ever respected our territorial integrity? For the last 60 years, China has not honored our territorial integrity. Sometimes this area, sometimes that area. They have been making illegal claims on our territories, and this is our core interest. But so far Tibet is concerned, we have always shown sensitivity, concern, and we have always safeguarded Chinese interest. Now the question is, should we pay back the Chinese in their own coins? Because we have long supported the China on Tibet. Dalai Lama took shelter in our country in 1959, and ever since he has been our guest. Dalai Lama is a respected person in India, a spiritual religious icon. But beyond that, have we done anything for him? Have we supported his cause wholeheartedly? Have we? We should do something for him. While supporting Dalai Lama's cause, we have always kept the Chinese in the picture. We have always tried to ensure that the Chinese are not annoyed, they are not antagonized, they are not displeased with us. But Chinese have not shown any regard for our concerns, for our core interest. No. Why? Because China has been behaving like a bully in this region. China has always dominated us, has forcefully occupied our territories from time to time. Now, is it not time to play the Tibet card? Is it not time to support Dalai Lama wholeheartedly? Because we have always surrendered his interest in favor of our own interest with China. And what has been our own interest with China? To maintain a dependable, good, healthy relationship with China. But it has been a one-sided story. Chinese have not been interested. They are opportunists. They have used every opportunity to damage us, to weaken us, and to support our neighbor against us. Now, it is time to play the Tibet card. And we can do few things here. Number one, we should award Bharat Ratna to Dalai Lama. We should award Bharat Ratna to Dalai Lama. Number one, this will send a loud and clear message to the people of the world, and Chinese in particular. They will burn with jealousy, with anger, we know, but we must award Dalai Lama the Bharat Ratna. Second thing, that we should get in touch with the activists who are waging war against China in Tibet for the independence of the Tibet. I mean, we must support the resistance movement in Tibet against China. And most important thing, Dalai Lama is already 85. He has spent 61 years of his 85 years in India. Now his successor must be chosen. His successor must be selected, and we must support Dalai Lama in selecting his successor, and his say should be final. His say should be final. The Chinese should not be allowed to select any puppet Dalai Lama after him. A puppet Dalai Lama will always serve the Chinese interest. And now the question is, why should we play the Tibet card? The most important factor in support of this idea is that Tibet is the classical case of Chinese expansionism. Tibet was the first area which China occupied in 1951. So, and because Tibet is a part of China, Chinese have been able to push us back at several places. So we must play the Tibet card very cleverly, very adroitly, and keeping the long-term interest in mind. and we must support Dalai Lama. It is high time that we should give him something which will be enduring. We have honored him, we have sheltered him, we have talked about him a lot, but now we need to do something solid for him. So dear friends, this was the small talk that I gave to you. I shall be talking more to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.